Welcome back to Motorize. Today we are having a closer look at the future Kia PV5 electric van, an electric van of the future that will serve families and business people. We have the electric powertrain, interior coziness, exterior design, price and release date. All you need to know about it. Let's jump right in. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel because your one subscribe helps us to grow. Let's start the video. Kia PV5 is constructed based on the specific EGMP EV platform of Kia, meaning that it enjoys new battery technology and is remarkably efficient. The PV5 is likely to come in two battery packs, 58 kWh standard pack and a larger 77 kWh pack that will provide a range of 220 to 310 miles on a single charge, depending on the model. Power output will be different with the entry levels delivering approximately 215 horsepower with front wheel drive and with a higher trim. The horsepower may be as high as 300 horsepower with all-wheel drive. With the help of 800 volt architecture, DC fast charging can restore the battery of 80% of its charge in less than 30 minutes. The PV5 does not resemble an ordinary van on the outside. Kia has provided it with a boxy yet futuristic look with an emphasis on interior and aerodynamic space. The rear light bar acts as a bold and high-tech identity that is provided by the use of LED light bar across the front, and the smooth panels and straight edges make it appear as a modern and practical one. Both sides have sliding doors that make it easy to access as well as the high position that provides an ideal headroom inside. The PV5 is flexible and technological inside. It will be available in various variants, a passenger van, a cargo van and even some ride-sharing variants. The interior has a 12.3-inch driver display that has a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment screen that is integrated into a single curved panel. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto over-the-air software updates, and the newest connected services available at Kia are standard. The passenger models will accommodate comfortable seats to up to 7 or 8 occupants, whereas the cargo models will have colossal space to accommodate business. Safety is not an exception, and Kia has highway driving assist too, blind view monitoring, adaptive cruise control, full 360-degree cameras. Now let's talk numbers. Kia PV5 2026 is anticipated to begin at approximately $42,000 as the base cargo model, and the fully loaded passenger versions may be as high as $55,000 and above. Regarding the launch, Kia expects to introduce the PV5 firstly in South Korea and the largest markets of some countries in late 2025. And then proceed with the rest of the world in early 2026 and the United States. Therefore, there is the future 2026 Kia PV5 electric van, a practical, futuristic and versatile vehicle. Kia promises to make a splash in the EV van market whether you are looking to have a family hauler or a smart business solution. What are your thoughts? Would you even tear apart the PV5 in favor of something like the Volkswagen ID Buzz or Mercedes EQV? Post your views in the comments box. And of course, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can never miss the new car reviews here on Motorize. Thank you, and that is all. We will see you in the next one.